Part of forest bathing for most of us includes developing a sit spot, a place where we go daily or as frequently as we can, so we can really engage, connect, and develop a relationship with the natural world. And I come out and sit here often, watching the colors change, watching different things grow. Just finding a spot that feels good for you, plopping yourself down in whatever way works for you, opening up all of your sense doors, and experimenting with some of the sensory invitations that I've shared in other videos and give you a sense of what it's like, what forest bathing is all about. Enjoy.